How to get the new Messenger update. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to get the new Messenger update. So let's begin. For the iOS users, you need to open your App Store, and then for the Android users, you need to open your Google Play Store. So, once you have opened your App Store or your Google Play Store, go ahead on your search. So, for the App Store, you may see it on the lower right corner of the screen, and for the Google Play Store, you may find it on the topmost part or the search or the magnifying glass icon on the top right. Go ahead then and search for Messenger. For iOS users, don't be tricked by this icon right here. So sometimes whenever you think that the word is only open, then that means there is no update available. However, there are some glitches in which you need to click on this app, and then there will be an update button that will appear. So make sure that you click on this app and then click on the update button since the App Store has some minor glitches. So whenever you have that update button, then make sure to click on it and then wait for it to load. So same goes with the Android or the Google Play Store. You need to click it and then click on the update button and make sure as well that you are connected to the internet and you should wait for it. Other features on Messenger is not available to some countries. So, for example, you have a friend from other country, and then they have a specific feature that you don't have, even though you have updated your Messenger. Then that means that either your country is limited, or you still, or your country still doesn't have that feature, or your country blocked that feature. So that's it. That's how you can get the new Messenger update.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.